What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Little Carl coming back with another banger, man. Ooh, this lighting look good. But today we coming back with another banger, man. Today we coming back with another monkey video, man. Now I know, guys. I know y'all saying, bruh, Carl, bruh, monkey's been banned. Monkey's been banned, bruh. Bruh, I found Monkey, bruh. I found Monkey. And did y'all know Monkey had a website too, bruh? Monkey had a website too, bruh. Monkey has a website too, man. So we gonna be going on Monkey today, and we gonna be asking females, would you take me home? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Would you take me home? You know what I'm saying? If you was like at a party or something, and you was drunk and you wanted to have a one night stand, you feel me? Would you take the boy home? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all know, y'all seen the other Ye videos, the 2 Ye videos y'all posted. Y'all know the boy got the sauce like that, you feel me? Y'all know he got the sauce like that, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all know Lil Carl got the sauce like that, man. Y'all know he got the sauce like that in the day videos, you feel me? But guys, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? At little_Carl. I just dropped new pictures on there. Um, so make sure y'all go show me love on them pictures, and go show me love on my Instagram. And make sure y'all go follow my backup account at 24Carl_, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm posting funny videos on there, entertaining videos on there. So yeah, man. Let's just go ahead and get into this video. Gang.
Them hits don't make no sense.
What you wanna be when you grow up? Got a white bitch sniffing on coca. Look at my watch, it froze up. Flip a rip, make her do the hocus pocus. Wait, I got it. 2 bitches, one Audi. Foreign.
Alright, guys, so we in here right now, guys. Before we get in this video, though, I wanted to tell y'all, like, who y'all got winning. I wanted to tell y'all who y'all got winning the finals, bruh. Who y'all got winning the finals? I got LeBron winning the finals. I don't know why I said the Rockets in that Amigo video at the end of that Amigo video. I wanted the Lakers to beat the Rockets, man. I wanted the Lakers to beat the Rockets, even though I'm a Russell fan. I wanted the Lakers to win. You feel me? But we about to get into this video, man. Yeah, bro. You see, I got the 2020 shirt on. You feel me? Cause you know the class of 2020, that's the best class. You feel me? But we about to get into this video though. So let's get it. Screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, bro. Let's get it. Bro, why they keep, bro, why they keep setting me up with dudes, bro? Okay, let's get it. Yo, what's good? Yo, what's good? You from Toronto? Yo, what's good? What's good? Yes, get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro. Chill with these dudes, bro. Okay.
Hello?
What's good?
What you doing?
Chilling. I got a question for you though.
Huh?
I said I got a question for you though.
What's up?
I got a question though. If you was at a party, right, would you take me home?
Yep.
You would take me home? Wait a minute, how old are you?
22.
Okay, good. But yeah, you would take me home though?
Yep.
Rate me 1 out of 10.
I said a 10.
10? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that. I like that.
You gotta go.
Nope. See you later. She don't need to know if young Carl got a girl, you feel me? I'm sorry I had to do it like that. What's good? What's good? Yeah, skip. But I'm sorry I had to do it like that, but no, bruh. What's up? I got a question. If you was at a party, right, would you take me home? Yeah, just go ahead and skip that. Yo, bruh, what the fuck, bruh? At least I'm not getting guys, bruh. And this, I got it on guys and girls. At least I'm not getting that many guys. Oh, yep, skip. Skip, bruh. Yo, yep. Just go ahead and skip, boy. Addison. What's good? Yeah, just go ahead and skip. Bro, why they keep skipping though, bruh? God damn, I think they scared of you, young nigga, bruh. Bruh. Bruh, they scared of you, young nigga, bruh. Yeah, she's little. Hell nah. Yo, where the hoes at, bruh?
Yeah, you in Charlotte?
Yeah, I'm in Charlotte, bruh.
Oh, Greensboro's where it's at, though, for real, and you ain't fucking on Winston.
But yeah, where the hoes at, bruh?
They probably in the garden, because that's what the farmers use for their tools. Yeah.
Bruh. that nigga was low key funny, bruh. Yo, what's good? You chilling?
Yeah.
I got a question for you though. If you was at a party, right? Would you take me home? Bro, why my camera frozen, bro?
That's what I hollered.
But would you take the young nigga home? You don't know. Wait, how old are you?
That's what I'm trying to ask you.
Bro, I'm grown.
Why you got your face blocked? Why I can't see what you're doing?
I'm right here.
Okay, and you might have your little girl in there smashing up right quick before I get home.
Nah.
All right, I'll see you when I get home.
Alright.
Peace.
Peace. My God. Why would you... Why, bro? Why? Oh my God. Messing up my video. I hate when he does that, bro. That shit pisses me off. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's just go ahead and get it back into the video, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, guys, before I was rudely interrupted by my fucking dad, bro. I hate when somebody interrupts my video, bro. But let's go ahead and get back into this video, man. I had to record that for y'all boys, man, to see what I go through on a daily basis, man. Gosh, bro. Let's get it, bro. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, man. Bro, we ain't even getting that many girls, bro. Yo. Nope. Well, we getting more girls than guys, bruh. But at least that's a good thing, bruh. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, come on, bro. What is it doing? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get it. Willie. Yo. What's good? Yo. What's up? I got a question for you. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, we got a girl. Bro, come on. Why you keep getting me dudes, bro? Like, what? You know you ain't doing shit, boy. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, what's good? I got a question for y'all.
What?
If y'all was at a party, right, and y'all were drunk, would y'all take me home?
No, sir.
Damn, bro. That's tough, bro. I'm not getting no dubs right now, bro. That's tough, bro. I think I got one dub about this whole video, bro. I don't know if that was a boy or a girl, bro. Yo. Yeah, bro. Bro. Bro, come on, bro. I can't get no girls, bro. Like, damn, bro. Give me some girls, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Thank you, bro. Oh my. God, bro, like, what? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my. Alright, bro. Damn, bro. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. If I don't get at least 2 more girls, bro, bro. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, I'm done with this video, bro. Yo, man. I'm done, bro. I can't get no females, bruh. Out of this whole video, I promise you I got like 7 females, bruh. Like, what? Bro, oh my gosh, bro. Like, come on. I can't get no females, bruh. None. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I really did, bro. I tried to get as much as females as I can. I tried to switch it to girls, but that shit was not working, bruh. Like, I tried to switch it to girls, but it wasn't working. But I'll catch y'all later, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all drip, splash on that like button. Make sure y'all fuck the shit out of that subscribe button. Make sure y'all dribble between the legs. Self alley 360. Dunk on that notification bell, man. And I'm out. Gang.